This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 16 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. We're continuing with the door, which I did finish off and put the mirror in and pushed it really hard and made sure it goes in there properly. But we're continuing that. On the inside of that is what we're doing. We've got the hinge and the window to fit. So the window obviously fits exactly the same way as the other one did. It just locates in place. These are non-opening windows. We need 3 of the screws to hold that in place. There's 4. That's too many. I should put one aside over there. One on there, and we'll get that in place in one of the holes. As always with these, never tighten down your first screw. Always make sure all of your screws go in properly and securely before you tighten down the first one. Look, that one hasn't even gone in at all. Let's try that again with a different screw hole, shall we? Make sure they all go in, and make sure they do actually go in. That's gone in. Why did that one not feel? It felt like it did, but it didn't. Yeah, make sure you get them all in, just to make sure everything lines up properly before tightening them down, especially when you're dealing with these clear plastic parts that are quite brittle. There's always a chance of it cracking if you don't tighten it down evenly. So now they're all in there and it's lined up, I can tighten that down a bit. I can tighten this one down a bit more. And make sure everything goes. Oh, I need a bigger screwdriver than that, I think. Let's go with this one. These screwdrivers are all from various different part works, each issue of which, I can't seem to find that screw hole now, seems to give you a different size of screwdriver, but these ones have got really nice handles to them. So yeah, I like using these, except when I can't get it in the screw hole properly. Not going in. That's being a pain. I shall come back to that momentarily. Let's get this in first. Now, this goes in one of 2 ways. I'm pretty sure it goes that way round, so the flat side is next to the door. So we'll get that in that way. Then the spring goes over the top of it and is located with 2 posts and held in place with 1 screw from the other packet. One of those out of there. The other one's still in the packet. Well done, me. So that's that. Then that one can go in there. And will work as the spring hinge that holds it open and indeed closed. Let's see if I can't line that up and get that in there this time. That one's working. So that's open, and that will be how it goes when it goes closed, I believe. It might be the other way around, but I'm pretty sure that will be that. Yeah, it's got to be that way. And then that will stay that way and the door will hinge open, won't it? So that's that. You can adjust how tight or loose the spring is by tightening or loosening that screw. Let's see if we can't get this done, or if I'm going to have to do this behind the scenes again. Yeah, that screwdriver might not fit those screws, so I'll find a different one. Let's go to my old go-to of the one with multiple tips. Yeah, that will go in there a bit better. And that will go in there just like that. Yeah, right. I shall get these all tightened up off camera, and then that will be another part of this door completed. 2 more bits to the door. We've got the inside bit and then the finishing off. So I shall see you very soon for doing the next bit. I'll see you for that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.